In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Jira. If you're setting up a fresh workflow for a development team, starting a clean tracking board, or creating a separate space for a new pipeline, Jira makes that process much easier once you know exactly where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the dashboard all the way to launching the project and checking that everything looks right. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're logged in and the main Jira homepage is visible, look at the top navigation bar. Find the menu labeled Projects, click it, and then choose Create Project. This opens the project creation area where Jira keeps its built-in templates. When that screen loads, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Jira groups templates by category. Click Software Development to filter the options so you only see templates designed for engineering and product delivery teams. This helps narrow the setup to the most relevant project types. Next, choose the framework that best matches how your team works. If your team plans work in sprints, manages a backlog, and follows time box delivery cycles, select Scrum. If your team works in a more continuous flow, moving tasks steadily across a board without fixed sprint periods, select Kanban. After clicking the template you want, review the summary panel and then click Use Template to continue. Jira will now ask how you want the project to be managed. If you need more standardized controls and shared configurations across the organization, choose Company Managed. If you want a more flexible setup that your team can adjust independently, choose Team Managed. Pick the option that fits your environment and move forward. Now it's time to name the project. In the field labeled Name, enter a clear and professional project title. Keep it concise, descriptive, and unique so it's easy to identify later. As you type, Jira will automatically generate a project key. That key is important because it becomes the prefix for issues created inside the project. Once everything is filled in, click the Create Project button. Jira will build the project using the template and settings you selected, then take you directly to the new board. Before you start using it, do a quick review of the layout. Check the board columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, and make sure the structure matches your team's expectations. This final check helps confirm that the project is ready for real work from day one. That's it. Your new Jira project is now live and ready to support your team's workflow. Thanks